Hi, I'm Ronan McGarty. I am Managing Director of Hydroclean. We are specialist hydro-demolition and structural concrete repair specialists. We are probably the only company in Ireland that provide a service where we complete hydro-demolition and the repairs as well. Most other options are either one or the other. In terms of how you would go about demolishing a structure, the old way was with pneumatic hammers, either handheld hammers or machine hammers. The problem with that is that there's a potential for further damage to the structure as a result of vibration being caused with the pneumatic operation. We have found more and more that with the advent of or the development of further emphasis on keeping people safe, that the idea that there would be robotic systems is more and more preferential, and I suppose that was one of the things that guided us towards the idea that we should invest on this new system that DTFF were good enough to support us on. When you actually see the machine in operation, you'll see that the robotic machine, the 410 aqua cutter, requires a pump to operate it, a UHP, an ultra high pressure pump to operate it. So as part of buying this robot, we actually also had to invest in the UHP, albeit that UHP can also operate by hand lancing. Okay, so it can be used in either robotic or hand lancing. So it wasn't just a case that it was just a bespoke thing for the robotic machine. But the robotic machine that we purchased we did quite a bit of research and decided this was the best. Not the cheapest option, but certainly we found it to be the best option. It has opened up a whole new area of work that we can use. Without the DTFF funding, this process would have obviously been much more difficult for us. I think what we've learned is that to be more open to the ideas. I've just suggested, set aside some time. From our point of view, it is something that is really, really well worth putting aside 2 days. 2 days of your time over a couple of weeks will be able to comfortably assess whether you would fulfill the criteria that DTFF set down. That's well worth doing.